It is a notorious stretch of road in Randolph County. Ask any driver. Most have seen crashes or some sort of traffic problem near the loop from Highway 64 to US 220 in Asheboro. But construction is underway to fix some of these issues. Good evening. This is the Fox 8 6 o'clock news. I'm Neil McNeil.
And I'm Katie Nordine. The plan calls to add more lanes to US 64, making it wider. And the bridge on 49 that goes over 64 will be replaced. But it'll take 4 years to get the job done. Fox 8's Gretchen Stenger has been talking to drivers today. So Gretchen, what do folks think of the construction?
Well, it won't be a quick fix, but the drivers I spoke to tell me that they're willing to put up with a short-term inconvenience for a long-term solution. And for many people, it's worth the safety.
It's a lot of wrecks that happen right here. You see how that car is slowing down, and then they got to wait for all this traffic to come through. So I'm glad that the construction is going to break that down and work it out.
Felicia Hooker works in the Exxon just off 49 in Randolph County. This is currently a Cloverleaf interchange, but soon that will change once the ramps are modified to help people merge more seamlessly into traffic. Hooker says this entire interchange is dangerous, and it's been like this her whole life.
I've seen wrecks happen right there, like I was behind a car and I seen it. It wasn't too happy to see.
This construction started in Asheboro and goes to the interchange at State Highway 49, just east of Ransour. Hooker says this is a popular area because US 64 is a major connector from Lexington to Raleigh.
So this area, a lot of people come from out of town and stop at our gas station. So when they come through, they will complain about the intersections and the bridges.
People like Arnie Rabin who drive this 18-wheeler. This isn't a standard 18-wheeler. It's significantly larger, which means Rabin has to stay alert when passing under low clearance bridges, like this one here on 49 that goes over US 64.
It's usually a 13.6 to get a truck like this under it. And mine's pretty high, and I have to drop it. But you got to know what you're doing, because if you're pretty high, you'd hit it.
NCDOT confirmed with me this bridge gets hit every few years. John Christopher Lowe has been driving this road for years. He says this bridge needed fixed decades ago after a fatal crash.
As a backhoe, it was being pulled by a construction truck and hit the bridge. Collided, fell off the trailer into another car.
The new bridge will be built to the west of the current bridge, and it will be taller. I reached out to NCDOT and they tell me that traffic and detours won't be a problem for a few more months. Right now, they're just in the beginning stages of this project. In Randolph County, Gretchen Stenger, Fox 8 News.